Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UI Ninjas. So in this video we will discuss about JavaScript object. A JavaScript object is an entity having state and behavior. For example, car, pen, bike, chair, glass, keyboard, monitor. Real life objects, properties and methods. In real life, a car is an object. A car has properties like weight and color and method like start and stop. Here car is object and properties is car name, car model, car weight, car color. And method is car start, car drive, car brake, car stop. All cars have the same property, but the property value differ from car to car. All cars have the same method, but the methods are performed at different times. This code assigns a simple value Honda to a variable named car. Like first we add let keyword and car is a variable name and Honda is a value of the variable. So how to create a JavaScript variable? So first open the Sublime text editor. Here we add some heading like JavaScript object, and we add p tag. In between that we pass id is my car and close this p tag. We can use this id using an document dot get element by id to access the HTML content of object. So next we use script tag. In between that we create variable car, value is Honda. Document dot get element by id is my car. Dot inner html equals to, we pause the variable name semicolon and close this script tag. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. The value of variable is Honda. So next is objects are variable, but objects can contain many values. In last example we create simple variable, but variable contain one value at a time, but objects can contain many values. This code assigns many values to a variable named car. So we take one example. In this example we create objects having multiple values. So we can change in this code. First we use const keyword and car object name. In the braces we use multiple values. Type of the car is Honda and model of the car is 400 and the color of the car is white. Semicolon. Get document dot get element by my car id in HTML, and here we pass first we add some string. The car type is then we concatenate use symbol then we use concatenate symbol plus, and we can access the type of the car. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. The car type is Honda. You can also contain multiple values by adding here car dot model, car dot color. We can access multiple values. So next is the values are written as name value pair. It is common practice to declare object with the const keyword. So object definition is you define or create a JavaScript object with an object literal. So const, first we use the const keyword, then person is the name of the object. In the braces we add multiple name and value pairs. So next is, this is the example to create an object with object literals. So open the Sublime text editor and change this code. Here we take another object name is person and we change this name and values like first name Rohan and the last name is Sham and age is 30. So by using this we create a object, and by using this we display the object. Here we change these lines. Person is object here, person dot first name. By using these lines we access the person first name, last name and age. This is the concatenate symbol. You can access multiple values. Person dot last name, plus the age of the person is use concatenate symbol, and by using object name person dot age plus years old, and save this code and see the result on the browser window. Rohan is Sham, age of the person is 30 years old. So by using the object we can access multiple name and value pairs. So next is spaces and line breaks are not important. An object definition can span multiple lines. You can see last output space and line breaks are not shown, so we can use like this, like const is a keyword, person is object name, and in another line we add another name and values. So next is object properties. The name value pairs in JavaScript objects are called properties. Here properties is first name, last name, age, and property value is Rohan, Jham and 30. So accessing object properties. In last example we access object properties by using object dot property name. This is the example like person dot last name, person dot first name, person dot age. In last example we access all the object properties by using these statements. JavaScript objects are container for named value called property. Next is object methods. Objects can also have methods. Methods are action that can be performed on object. Methods are stored in properties as function definition by using this, like properties first name and value is Rohan, and the properties last name value is Jham, and the properties age and property value is 30, and full name is, by using this statement we get the full name, like function keyword and return this dot first name and we use concatenate symbol, then this dot last name and this dot age. A method is a function stored as a property. So this is the example. So open the Sublime text editor. We can change this code. First we change this lines. First we use const keyword and object name is person, in curly braces first name is Rohan and the last name is Jham and the age is 30. And if you want to get full name, so we use function here we use return dot this, return then this dot first name plus, for spaces we use this and we use plus for concatenate, and this dot last name plus, then plus this dot age semicolon. This is the object, and next we display the data from the object. So we use document dot get element by id. Id name is my, we change this id name my person 1, and here we also use id name is person 1 dot inner html. By using this statement we access the html content of the object. Person dot full name and semicolon. Here is some mistake. Change this semicolon by comma. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. This is the result. So this is example. Here in this example, this refers to the person object. This dot first name means the first name property of person. This dot last name means the last name property of a person. By using this statement we can access the property of the person object. So thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel.